Welcome back, parents. In this step, we focus on requesting fruits. This stage helps your child build essential communication skills by learning to request specific fruits using language. Requesting is an important part of functional communication. It allows your child to express their needs and desires in everyday situations, helping them communicate more effectively with others. Begin by placing the fruit within sight but out of reach. Hold up a fruit and ask, "Do you want the apple?" Wait for your child to respond. Encourage them to say the word or gesture towards the fruit. By keeping the fruit just out of reach, you create an opportunity for your child to actively request what they want, whether through words or gestures. If your child is capable of verbal communication, gently encourage them to say the name of the fruit they want. For instance, if they point to an apple, you can say, "Can you say apple?" before handing it to them. Using this technique reinforces the importance of verbal communication and helps your child practice expressing their needs. If your child struggles with verbal requests, try using visual aids like flashcards or picture boards. Show them a picture of the fruit and ask them to point to the one they want.
What do you want? Oh, you want this?
Visual aids offer a supportive way for children to make requests, especially if they are still developing their verbal skills. Modeling is another effective technique. Say, "I want an apple please," and then take the apple yourself. After a few repetitions, encourage your child to try the same phrase.
May I have a banana? May I have an apple?
Modeling helps your child learn how to phrase their requests appropriately in social situations.
Very good.
To make the activity more engaging, offer your child a choice between two fruits. Hold up an apple and a banana and ask, "Do you want the apple or the banana?" This encourages your child to communicate their preference.
Do you want an apple or a banana? Banana? Here.
Offering choices empowers your child to express their desires, building their confidence in communication. Requesting doesn't have to be limited to structured activities. Encourage your child to request fruits in everyday situations such as during mealtime or snack time. Ask them to say, "Can I have a banana please?" or "I want an apple." By integrating requests into daily routines, your child learns to use language in functional real-life settings. Always offer positive reinforcement for every attempt your child makes. Whether they use words, gestures, or visual aids, praise their efforts. This encouragement helps them build confidence and motivates them to keep communicating. Requesting fruits is an important step in building your child's functional communication skills. By practicing these activities regularly, you are helping your child learn to express their needs clearly and confidently. Thank you for joining us today. Continue practicing these techniques at home, and soon you will see your child's communication skills flourish. We look forward to seeing you in our next session.